So is Bitcoin the new gold? With Bitcoin hitting all-time highs recently, a lot of traditional traders and investors are looking to diversify their portfolios and looking for a best return on investment. And crypto traders, on the other hand, are saying, "I told you so," and pouring more money in the most popular cryptocurrency. But here's the actual reason why we decided to make this video. This is a quote from a JP Morgan analyst saying that the adoption of Bitcoin by institutional investors has only begun, and also adding that the price of gold would suffer because of this in the coming years. So today, we'll take a closer look at the two, see how they compare, and hopefully help you make an informed decision about how to trade Bitcoin and gold in the best way. Let's start with a simple comparison of the two. How much value do all Bitcoins have, and how much is all the gold in the world worth? And right here we have quite the big difference. Bitcoin has an approximately $450 billion market cap at the time of recording, equal to about 2.5% of gold's estimated value, which is over $11 trillion today. But this isn't necessarily a competition about size. Next comes a question that everyone seems to be talking about: how much did gold and Bitcoin actually gain in 2020? Here we have a clear winner. Bitcoin is up over 300%, while gold is up 23%. And both have actually performed extremely well on their respective timescales. And Bitcoin is about to have its 12th birthday, while gold has been a store of value since ancient times. So we've seen a clear winner there, but let's compare them on another criteria to get a more complete picture. What about the rarity of both and the perceived value based on it? Both gold and Bitcoin are rare resources. The halving of Bitcoin's mining reward ensures that all 21 million Bitcoin will be out in circulation by the year 2140. And while we know that there is only 21 million Bitcoin that exist, it is unknown when all the world's gold will be mined from the earth. And still, we do know that a larger pool of mining companies is looking to dig out a smaller quantity of gold. And next comes the transparency and safety of trading gold and Bitcoin. Gold has been an established system for trading, which has entered the modern age with online trading, orders, and delivery. It's also very hard to steal it or to pass off fake gold. Bitcoin is also difficult to corrupt thanks to its encrypted, decentralized system and complicated algorithms. But the infrastructure to ensure its safety is still not yet in place. The Mt. Gox disaster is a good example of why Bitcoin traders must be wary. In this disruptive event, a popular exchange went offline and about $460 million worth of users' Bitcoins went missing. Our next way to compare Bitcoin and gold is by thinking about their intrinsic value. Gold has historically been used in many applications, from luxury items like jewelry to specialized applications in dentistry, electronics, and more. And this will remain a source of demand in the foreseeable future. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has brought an awareness of blockchain technology. Its value is not only for investing purposes, but also as a tool for people to access the banking infrastructure and traditional means of finance like credit. With Bitcoin, these individuals can send value across the globe essentially without a fee. It's also possible that another crypto will take the advantage of this opportunity, but right now Bitcoin is definitely the front runner. Liquidity is the next factor that we can use to compare Bitcoin and gold. At the time of recording, we can say that both have been very liquid assets. Until recently, you could have made an argument in favor of gold being better positioned in this, but the recent investments by billionaires and funds into Bitcoin now place them pretty much in the same bracket. And when you think about it, you could say that the traditional market whales have also now become crypto whales. And finally, let's look at the volatility. Traders love it, but the investors tend to hate it. Has Bitcoin turned the corner and become mature enough to qualify as a safe haven asset? Even though we're at an all-time high right now, Bitcoin is still a volatile instrument. Falling to $4,000 after its 2018 high was about an 80% drop in around a year. And in 2020, we've had a 300% plus surge so far. So this is a volatile instrument. It's probably more suited for short-term and mid-term trades rather than something that you would bet your life savings on. And gold, on the other hand, offers limited volatility. By standards, 2020 was extremely volatile, but given the circumstances with COVID-19 impacting the global economy and lives almost everywhere, this hasn't been a surprise. So to recap, Bitcoin could offer more returns, but its volatility makes it harder to reliably find a good entry point. For us, this makes it something we would only trade with rather than invest. And even then, we would still trade it with a complete set of risk management tools that we do show in videos on our channel. So now coming up, will Bitcoin eat gold's share of global investments and keep rising while gold drops? We can't give a clear answer to that, but we can definitely say that there is more volatility ahead for Bitcoin. In such a young market, there will be a lot of profit taken as new players enter the market. So if you are looking to make a quick profit, then it could be something to trade on, but always do it with money that you can afford to lose. Thanks for tuning in with me, John, at Real John Doe from Currency.com. I hope you enjoyed this video about gold and Bitcoin. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you do have any questions, use the comment section below. We try to read everything there, and we'll do our best to respond. But that's all from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Good luck with your trading. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.